All right, welcome to the channel once again. This is Efoko Joseph, your anchor person at the free genuine airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to farm the Time Farm token. Remember that in this particular airdrop, you are not going to be tapping, you are not going to be clicking, you are not going to be spinning or doing anything. Just to come here, when your tokens have been mined, you claim them. You just claim them and you click on restart again to keep farming. So before we move ahead to show you what you need to do, remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And if you are not yet on our WhatsApp group, look at our video description, use the link there to join our WhatsApp group so that whenever we are sharing tips, wherever we are bringing updates, you will easily have access to them. So that is it. So when you are done with registering and all that, and we have your link and you have our link and you click on it, you will be brought to this place. But this is not exactly where you are going to land. So let's go back to where we are going to land. All right, you are going to land in this place. Okay, you will see join community. You will see something here that says start or whatever to start the boat. So you will perform the two activity, join community, so that when there's update in the community, you also be aware. And then you click the start to officially start the bot. Now, after you have done that, when you come back next time, you will now use this open app to go there to go and collect, or you might see it telling you that your token have been loaded, has been found, that you should go and claim. All right, let's officially open and go down to that place. All right, we are now in the place where we're supposed to collect our token. Okay, can you see that at the moment 14,400 tokens have been farmed, which is this, and this is my current balance, 8,733,180. So you need to claim this token that have been farmed for you using this button. So let's click on it. Do you see that my account balance has increased, and the button has now changed from claim to start, because you have claimed. If you claim and you leave it like that, it will end here. If you come back in 10 years time, it will still be here. But you need to click on this start button so that we start to find another one for you again. So that is why you must do that. Let's click on it and see the difference now. Can you see what is happening? It has started counting 1, 2, 3, and so on. So by the end of 4 hours, your coins would have filled this place, and you will have to come back again to come and claim. Okay, so that is not just all. There are a lot of things you need to do here. If you look at the down part of this page, you can see home button, you can see task, you can see friends, you can see activity, you can see earn, and you can see wallet. So let's take our time to look at them one after the other. Let's start with, currently we are on the home. Let's look at the task, which is this. So let's open it. All right. So you can see there are a few things here, active and completed. So let's click at the completed and see if there are things. You can see that these are the things I've done. I've connected my Tom wallet, and that gave me 250,000 Time Farm tokens. I have subscribed to their first channel. I have followed CEO on X and all that. So, but these ones that are active need to be performed for us to be able to collect those other things that are there. Okay. All right. So we'll look at the active button. There are two things that are here right now. One is to join the Notai announcement, and the other one is to play to play Mosque Empire now. So let's just do one of them. Let's start to join the announcement group. So click on the start button, You see what happens? It has brought us to the announcement group. Now I have already been subscribed to this announcement group. That is why otherwise would have shown that I just joined. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so if we are also to play the Mosque Empire, we click on the and play it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'm already here also. That is why you see that. So I just okay. I'm playing it right now, but I'm not going to finish it just for illustration's sake. All right, so we return back to where we came from. So once it has cross-checked, it will give me the 100,000 coins. Unfortunately, the network seems to be a little bit slow, but not to worry. You already know what you are supposed to do here. I'm just doing it so that you will understand them. All right, so we move on to the next button on our lower pane, which is the friends button. Can you see that? You can see that there is something here and the friends button, another claim, okay, and 35,800 tokens. Why is that? I have 6 friends. From the activity these friends are performing, you can see here, it says earn 20% for your direct referrals, 10% for their referrals, then 5%, 2.5, and 1.5 for your 5th level referrals, plus earn 15,000 seconds for each invite. With your friend, receive 30,000. So each person I refer will earn me 15,000 seconds, which is the token name. Okay? Now, while I receive 15,000, the person I referred also will receive 15,000. But the other activities that these persons are performing, the first person I bring in will earn me 20%. While the person that person bring in will earn me 10%. While the other one will earn me 5% until the 5th generation. Okay? So we are going to claim our token now and see what happens. So we'll click on this to collect our token. You can see the token has been claimed and the button has returned to 0. All right. Now, if you want to invite a friend, this blue button that is there that says invite a friend, you click on it. Can you see? There are 2 things you can possibly do here with this button. First is to send in Telegram. If you click this, it takes you directly to your Telegram account where your friends contact list are listed. So you can now scroll through to filter which of them you want to use and then click on that particular friend. The referral link will be deposited into the dialog box where you can click to send. But if you don't want to do that, you want to send this to somebody on WhatsApp, on Messenger, or Facebook, or on Twitter, you click here to collect the link. And then you manually send this link to somebody while you are discussing and you have told them about this particular airdrop. Okay? Now we move on from there. Sorry. We just mistakenly clicked on this thing. Okay. Sorry, just okay, we need to remove the Mosque Empire. Okay, here. Now you also have the activity. This activity is just about the number of persons who are in this system, who are doing 1 or 2 things. You see that number 1 person has brought in 21,026 friends. The next person, who is the second on this list, has 6,916 friends. So that is just the list of those who are top performers in the system. All right, we click on the end button. Okay, the end button, there's something here which is the Oracle of Time. There are questions here. Answer questions, guess the dates, and claim 100,000 seconds every day. So you only need to come here once a day to come and check what is here. Okay, So for every correct answer you get, you will be given 100%, 100,000 seconds. But on daily basis, we provide answers to this in our WhatsApp group. So if you're on our WhatsApp group, you will get the answer and bring it here to come and paste in this column to get your reward. Okay, so you don't need to be missing out on this reward. You just only need to come here, paste the answer here. You use this button to open and pick the date, so that at the end of the day you also click on this to check the date, and if it is correct, you collect your allocation, your 100,000 second. Okay, so finally we look at the wallet, which is that, and you will be asked to connect your Ton wallet for future rewards. So if you have Ton wallet, you can connect your Ton wallet by clicking on the button, and you will be redirected to your Ton wallet where you grant permission for it to connect, and it will be connected. So those are the basic things you need to know about the Time Farm token. So you can share your referral link with your friend and keep inviting them. All right, this is the link. You just click connect, and then when you connect, okay, let me just demonstrate. Not that I'll continue with it for demonstration's sake. Okay, now that you have been brought to this place, you will use this. Sorry, you use this button if you already have Ton wallet, Ton keeper installed in your phone. If you have my Ton wallet, you can use this. If you have Ton hub also installed, you can use it. So if you don't have any of them, you can open your new wallet in Telegram. You know Telegram has wallet too. You can open there and then create a wallet and connect. So if you have any of those ones, after you have clicked on them, you'll be redirected to connect to your wallet. And that is it for now. Enjoy your day. See you in our next video. Remember once again to like this video if you find it useful, share it with your friends, and invite as many as you can to join this channel. Enjoy your day and see you in the next video.